failed recipe, 100% pure coconut milk jelly, coconut milk cream, gelatin powder. Put on gelatin and stir to mix on low heat. Keep adding gelatin and mix with electric mixer. Cool down and refrigerate overnight. After refrigeration overnight, there are still gelatin lumps which are hard to get dissolved. Maybe more heat is needed and other types of gelatin might dissolve better. 100% pure coconut milk jelly. Undissolved gelatin lumps. Texture is too hard and solid for a jelly. Possibly too much gelatin is added. Try to use less gelatin. Try to use higher heat to dissolve all gelatin. Learning from failure increases your knowledge and experience. Ingredients: coconut milk cream, gelatin powder,